You can program a smart key fob for your 2015-2016 Chevy Suburban yourself, potentially saving money. This involves synchronizing the fob's transponder with your vehicle's immobilizer system. First, ensure your Suburban is off and all doors are closed. Insert your existing working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. Simultaneously press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob for about 15 seconds. The vehicle should beep or the lights will flash. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and repeat the process for any additional fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 8. Finally, test each fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle to confirm it's properly programmed. This method uses a rolling code system. Each use generates a new code to prevent replay attacks. Precise timing is essential for success. If the DIY programming fails, common issues include incorrect timing during the button presses or a low battery in either the fob or the vehicle. A fully charged vehicle battery is crucial. If you've lost your original working fob, you'll likely need a dealer tool to erase the old codes. While aftermarket programming tools exist, using incompatible ones can brick the fob, requiring a costly dealer reset. Before attempting DIY programming, ensure the replacement fob is compatible with your Suburban's ECU, which you can typically verify via the Driver Information Center, DIC. Keep in mind that while DIY is feasible, professional reprogramming is recommended for complex issues to avoid voiding warranties or causing further malfunctions. Store your key fobs in a Faraday bag to protect against relay attacks, especially in public areas.